The story of Limeys and James Lind. In the mid-1700s, the age of long voyages, British naval ships spent months at sea, battling rough waters, unpredictable weather, and an even deadlier enemy disease. Sailors grew weak, exhausted, and malnourished as they crossed endless oceans. Scurvy, the dreaded scourge of the sea, slowly crippled entire crews. Sailors lay helpless in their hammocks with bleeding gums, swollen legs, and wounds that refused to heal. Officers lamented, "We've lost more men to this disease than to storms or battles." Yet no one understood its true cause. Amid this crisis stood a young naval surgeon, James Lind, curious, observant, and determined. Watching the suffering around him, he resolved, "I must find out what helps these men." Unlike others, Lind approached the mystery with a scientific mind. On 20th May 1747, James Lind conducted what would become one of the world's first controlled clinical trials. 12 sailors with scurvy were arranged in 6 pairs. Each pair received a different treatment: cider, vinegar, seawater, nutmeg paste, barley water, and finally, oranges and lemons. For the first time, treatments were compared systematically. Within days, the results were unmistakable. The pair receiving citrus fruits improved rapidly. One sailor stood upright for the first time in weeks, while the other was strong enough to help his companions. Their transformation was dramatic. They improved within days. Citrus fruits had clearly outperformed every other remedy. James Lind documented his findings in 1753 in a treatise of the scurvy, concluding that fresh citrus fruits were essential to prevent and cure scurvy. This was the first scientific evidence linking nutrition to disease prevention. Despite Lind's clear evidence, the Admiralty hesitated. Crates of lemons remained untouched in storerooms as sailors continued to suffer. It would take several decades before the Royal Navy fully adopted citrus supplements for all voyages. Eventually, policy caught up with science. British ships began carrying lemons and later limes on every long voyage. The change was revolutionary. Scurvy declined rapidly, and sailors regained the strength to perform their duties. A simple fruit ended up saving thousands of lives. This marked one of the earliest triumphs of evidence-based preventive medicine. James Lind's experiment did more than save sailors, it shaped the future of medical research. His careful comparison of treatments laid the foundation for randomized, controlled trials, the gold standard of modern clinical research. From his small experiment on a ship in 1747 grew the principles that guide how medicines are tested, proven, and trusted today. The story of the Limeys and the treatise of James Lind proves the transformational impact of education on the society. Many historic anecdotes along with this story of the Limeys states the importance of education in our lives.